Hey guys, got a quick announcement for you in regards to the upcoming 2023 PDR College Advanced Skills Seminar being held in Duluth, Georgia this coming Thursday. And I am really looking forward to seeing you guys out there. Keith and Shane actually just let me know we had a few people drop out of the event, so I wanted to offer those slots to anybody that's interested. To anybody that follows me on Facebook, YouTube, wherever, this video is for you, just to kind of keep you informed about what's going on. And we have actually pretty amazing event. We're working really hard behind the scenes to make this a really memorable paintless dent repair seminar. This is something that you definitely don't want to miss. I'm going to be performing alongside Mr. Ken Clark, the Man of Steel. None other than the Man of Steel himself will be there. I am actually just honored to be presenting alongside him. He's an amazing PDR technician. If you have never seen his work, highly suggest you go on YouTube and check his work out. It is just mind-blowing. But yeah, it's definitely going to be something that you do not want to miss if you have the opportunity to attend. We'd love to see you there. So again, if you have any questions, you can just reach out to me here on Facebook, and I'd love to help you out and get some answers. So thanks again, guys. I look forward to seeing you in Duluth, Georgia. Getting super excited about it. See you there.